So today will be a different video. As you can see, I have my new exhaust for the YAMAHA MT09. Finally I received it. I took a while to choose the exhaust that I should buy for the MT09. I made a list with some exhausts. I started to eliminate one by one and I ended with a short list of 3 exhausts. As you can see, I opted for the leovince, is the LV race. Probably I will make another video in the future explaining the reasons why I choose this over the other 2, but now it's just an unboxing. I will open the box and show you the exhaust. I think that this exhaust looks great in the lines of the MT09. It has a very good build quality. It's a very beautiful exhaust in my opinion. So let's open the box and I will show you the exhaust for the MT09. Let's go. So I hope you can see in the image, it's the LV race leovince. It's a very nice looking exhaust. I forgot to mention, this is the non-catalytic version. It has a dB killer in this zone. I think you can remove it if you want, but I don't know. I will test the sound with the dB killer and without, and then I will choose if I will go with or without dB killer. There are some parts in the box, the headers and all the pipes and a little part to cover this thing, but when I mount it in a bike you will see how it looks. Let me know down in the comments if you like this exhaust or if you would pick another one. I would like to know your opinion. So that's it for today, a small video showing you the exhaust. Next one will be with this exhaust on the bike running to see the sound. Okay, see you next video.